this video I'm gonna show you how to use the adaptive cruise control on the KTM 1290 Super Adventure S. When we scroll down the menu to the cruise control settings, you can choose 3 different modes. In CC only, the distance control function of the adaptive cruise control is deactivated, so there's no recognition of the vehicle in front and the motorcycle will maintain the speed you set. In the next 2 modes, the Comfort and Sport mode, the radar sensor that is integrated in the headlight is used to adapt the speed to the vehicle in front. In ACC Comfort mode, the adaptive cruise control reacts comfortable and the acceleration and braking will be more relaxed than in the ACC Sport mode. In ACC Sport mode, the adaptive cruise control reacts more directly to the speed of the vehicle in front than in Comfort mode. Then there's the ACC distance. Here you can choose the distance to the vehicle in front in 5 steps from very short to very long. These settings can be set while riding. Now, how to use the adaptive cruise control. With this button, the one with the cruise control icon on, you set the cruise control to on or off. With the plus or rest button, you activate the cruise control or the last used speed. And you also use this button to increase the target speed with 1 or with 5 if you keep pressing it. With the set or min button, you set your actual speed as cruise control speed, and you can also use it to reduce the target speed with 1 or with 5 if you keep pressing it. When you activate the adaptive cruise control, the adaptive cruise control icon appears on the display. The C means comfort mode and the S sport mode. The 5 blocks represent the distance from very long to very short. When CC only mode is used, only a cruise control icon will appear. The cruise control is deactivated when you use the brakes, when you turn the throttle in the opposite way, when you use the clutch for more than 2.5 seconds, or when you use the throttle to speed up for more than 10 seconds. Okay, I'm on the highway here and the cruise control is in CC only mode, so no automatic speed regulation. I activate the cruise control and set the speed to 120 km per hour. In the distance you see a vehicle in front. I'm riding faster and I'm catching in. But the bike is not slowing down, so I have to react and use the brakes. And now the cruise control is deactivated and I'm taking over. Here I'm using the adaptive cruise control in comfort mode with the speed set at 121 km per hour, and the adaptive cruise control automatically keeps the short distance between me and the slower vehicle in front. When I start to pass, the bike accelerates to the target speed. When in sport mode, the adaptive cruise control works the same, but the bike accelerates faster and also slows down faster. And the ACC can only be activated between 30 and 150 km per hour or 20 and 95 miles per hour. This adaptive cruise control works really well. I usually use it on the highway and it makes traveling by motorcycle less tiring. Adaptive cruise control is also used on BMW, Ducati and other motorcycles, and I think in the future this will become standard on newer motorcycles. Thanks for watching, please subscribe my channel and I hope I see you back in another video.